All right, look, man. I've been investing to try to build some wealth, and it's been a wild journey because, like, my portfolio's been the same for a few months now. Okay, for a few months now. It's not really gone up, and it's not really gone down too. It's if I look at the trends, it's just sitting there, you know. And I check it all the time, like something crazy is gonna happen, and nothing really ever happens. Currently the market is reacting to current events. Love that, bro. I love that. We got inflation, job reports, oil prices, tech layoffs, and a war that's going on. And then, someone tweets something and the market just goes insane. But my money's just been sitting there like, whatever. And I know you're not supposed to check investments constantly, but like, I feel like we all kind of do it. I feel like we all do it, bro. Like, check it in the morning, maybe pre market or market open, maybe check it a few times or once during the trading hours, and then after market too, right? And it's just nothing happening. The thing is, like, this is normal, this is normal, and the market most of the time is just boring. Uh, Either boring or just very slowly moving, right? And so, like, it's this way because, like, just stocks don't go up every day, right? Um, in the short term, which I'm talking about when I say a few months, they could dip, they could go up a little bit, or just sideways, right? Especially during uncertainty like this, right? We have inflation, we have interest rates, companies reporting earnings, like with the AI situation that fucked a lot of things up, and then more importantly, just like with wars, bro. Like, wars are terrible. Okay, uh, like it's no one ever wins in those situations, you know. Um, but this is just about finance. I'm not here to give my political takes on any of that. But if you know me, you know. So flat portfolio, though, it's not necessarily failure. It's just I'm choosing to view this as just the market doing its thing, which is a little disappointing for me because I kind of pictured like putting some money into the market and then just instant retirement or instant wealth. And instead, I think I got $8 this past month. But I firmly believe that's why long term investing exists. And when people say long term, they're talking about years, right? 10, 20 years, even more. Because over time, the market's going to go up, right? The short term stagnation or stagflation, right? Whatever, it's normal. It's also boring. It's like watching paint dry, but it's normal. And yeah, no one tells you how boring this part is. I'm building wealth. I'm putting money away into my portfolio, but it's yeah, it's just watching paint dry, bro. So what am I doing during this time? What are my moves? What are my plans? The first move is just consistent investments, consistently investing into the market all the time, still, every day. I have a daily buy of QQQ, $5, nothing crazy, but it just allows me to dollar cost average a little bit and just slowly accumulate over time. I'm also not selling anything that I have right now. Nothing. ExxonMobil, it was up around 172 and it just dipped like $10 in the past few days, causing a dip in my portfolio too. But I'm not going to sell that. I'm just going to hold off for a little bit and see where it goes. Same with all these other stocks that are dipping. I'm just going to see where they go. I'm also not going to expect like crazy growth. That's something that I did expect in the market, and like I kind of saw that. Um, there was this crazy run, and I was like, whoa, and that kind of set me up for failure a little bit. But can't expect that all the time, especially in the short term over the course of months. And then also maybe I should stop checking it so often, but I don't know how well I'm going to follow that. Because checking my portfolio constantly, like, it's not going to promote any growth. It's not going to make it grow faster. And, like, there's nothing that I do when I check it. I just check it to check it. It's not like I'm checking it to sell any positions. I'm just checking it to check it, which just not the move, really. Not the move. Um, the strategy that I've been taking on is investing more into broad market funds. I do hold Exxon. That's my largest position. I have like 2.5 shares. Not happy with that. Gonna be looking to sell that soon, or maybe just sell it and then use the money I make from that sale to like just buy individual stocks just to see. But yeah, broad market funds. It's just less stress, more continual growth over time, more consistent returns. I'm not pretending to be a stock genius here. I just buy some funds and watch my portfolio stay flat. Um, so yeah, my portfolio is flat. All the crazy things in the world are still happening, and I'm just kind of here chilling. You know what I mean? I'm just not really doing anything crazy. But at least I'm not losing money. At least I'm not losing money. That's the small victory that I need to hold fast to. So, anyway, I'll see you in a little while after this works out, hopefully, and things turn around. I'll let you know about it. All right.